Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redirect a domain on Namecheap. This process is straightforward and can be done quickly with a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have already purchased a domain on Namecheap. Once that's confirmed, head over to your Namecheap dashboard. Look for the Domain List section and identify the domain you want to redirect. Next to your chosen domain, click on the Manage option. If you don't immediately see this option, check the drop-down menu for a Manage button. Once you click Manage, you'll be directed to a new page. Scroll down to the Redirect Domain section and click Add Redirect. Here, you'll enter the source URL, which is the URL you want to redirect from. For example, if you're using your base domain, enter that here. Then, in the Destination field, input the URL you want visitors to be redirected to, like https://www.google.com. Remember to include https: or https at the start to ensure it's accepted. After entering the URLs, click Save. It's important to note that you need to set up redirects for each version of your domain. This includes variations like https://https and with or without www. To simplify this, you can use a wildcard redirect, which automatically redirects all subdomain versions to your chosen destination. Now, let's test it out. Copy your domain and paste it into your browser's URL bar to check if it redirects correctly. If it takes you to the desired location, you've successfully set up the redirect. That's all there is to it. Redirecting a domain on Namecheap is a simple process that can be done for any of your domains. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.